Hey Wild Curlies! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this quick, simple bun in less than 10 minutes. It's best to start this with blown out or stretched out hair, which you can simply brush and tie into a high loose bun. Then grab some hair gel. I'm using Ali K Naturals Aloe Berry Styling Gel and smooth a moderate amount into your hair. Then work it in with your brush to help smooth down any frizz and flyaway hairs. Afterwards, tie down your hair for 5 to 10 minutes to give a better hold. You can even do this the night before to save time. While you wait for the gel to set, get your largest weft of clip-ins. I'm using a Wild Afro Curly&Wild clip-in weft. Then, if needed, moisturize your weft with water. You can also use a curl enhancing cream to define the curls on the clip-ins. I'm using Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Open the clips on the weft and wrap it round the base of your bun. Then close the clips to secure it around your hairband. Take the remaining hair and wrap it round the bun. Secure it in place with another hairband. So once the gel is dry, take off the satin scarf. And pin down any parts of the bun or hair that might need securing in place with hair grips. Then you're done. Simple.